Thank you for joining us today at the National Stock Exchange this morning to celebrate what is truly a landmark moment in India's industrial and logistics journey. My name is Deepa Jayaraman, and I lead communications for Blackstone in India. Today's ceremony marks the listing of Horizon Industrial Park, India's largest developer, owner, operator of Grade A industrial and logistics infrastructure. This is a story that goes well beyond real estate. It's a story of India's manufacturing prowess, its e-commerce boom, and the supply chains that's being built to carry the country's next phase of growth. As we begin today's ceremony, may I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. For decades, India's real estate growth story was told through its offices and its cities. However, a quieter but equally powerful story was being written on the outskirts, in the industrial corridors, the logistics parks, and the warehouses that sit at the intersection of a manufacturing uptick, an e-commerce boom, and a rapidly modernizing supply chain. Every parcel that reaches your doorstep, every component that feeds a factory line, every sector building the GDP of the country, behind it sits a piece of infrastructure that, until recently, barely existed in India as an institutional investable asset class. Blackstone changed that with Horizon Industrial Parks. Horizon Industrial Parks is India's largest developer, owner, and operator of Grade A industrial, warehousing, and logistics infrastructure with parks across key markets. Portfolio spans fulfillment centers for e-commerce and FMCG companies, industrial facilities for manufacturing, and in-city logistics centers built for last-mile delivery. Everything serving over 100 marquee customers across all sectors you can imagine. Backing this platform is Blackstone, India's largest foreign investor and the country's largest owner of office assets, retail malls, logistics parks, hospitality platform, residential homes, and data center. Horizon Industrial Parks is Blackstone's 7th real estate listing in India and the 15th company that Blackstone is taking public in this country till date. So let me play you a quick AV to showcase Horizon Industrial Parks. Could I have the AV, please?
As the world's largest alternative asset manager, we have the ability to invest at scale behind major trends shaping the global economy. We've been a significant investor in logistics around the world for more than 15 years. Today, supply chain reconfiguration, the rise of large-scale manufacturing hubs in India, and the e-commerce boom are reshaping logistics and industrial networks. In 2020, we launched Horizon Industrial Parks, a professionally managed pan-India platform backed by a talented management team.
India is one of the world's fastest growing manufacturing and consumer markets. Government initiatives like GST, PLI, Make in India are formalizing supply chains, streamlining logistics operations, and accelerating demand for modern logistics infrastructure. Yet, the sector remains underpenetrated with Grade A warehousing demand projected to grow at a 32% CAGR. Horizon has scaled rapidly into India's largest and fastest growing logistics and industrial platform, with a 61 million square feet network across 46 parks. It's built in just 5 years and offers a portfolio that is difficult to replace with a long runway for growth.
Horizon is a pure-play industrial and logistics developer with end-to-end capabilities, including acquisition, development, leasing, and active asset management. And we offer this within a single corporate structure, which enables faster decisions and seamless delivery at scale. We began our journey building large-scale fulfillment centers, expanded into complex industrial projects, and are now creating India's largest in-city logistics network. The exponential growth in e-com and quick-com positions InCity to drive the next leg of growth for Horizon. With 94% occupancy and leasing and development throughput of 21 million and 17 million square feet, Horizon has established a strong track record of delivery at national scale.
Our IGBC certified platinum rated parks are designed for safety and efficiency. Our value proposition spans turnkey delivery, renewable energy, cold storage, skilling centers, and staff accommodation. Today, we have expanded to serve over 100 marquee customers with nearly 54% of revenues from Fortune 500 companies.
Horizon's earnings are defined by durability and visibility as they are driven by committed occupancy and repeat leasing. Contractual escalations, leasing momentum, and shorter capex to cash cycles create strong forward earnings. Our secure development pipeline, now totaling 33 million, will upon completion enhance present EBITDA of 79%. This, when coupled with the proposed fundraise, will significantly de-lever our balance sheet, creating further headroom for growth.
Horizon is a compelling opportunity in a sector poised for long-term growth, underpinned by stable contracted income, high-quality assets, and an experienced leadership team. We are incredibly proud to offer investors access to India's first industrial and logistics corporate IPO and build the future of India's infrastructure.
Let's hear a round of applause. Today, as we celebrate this landmark listing ceremony, it's my privilege to welcome the leadership team, partners, advisors, and families behind this incredible journey. From Blackstone, we are delighted to welcome Christopher Heady, Chairman of Asia Pacific and the Head of Real Estate Asia for Blackstone, Mr. Tuhin Parik, Vice Chairman of Blackstone Real Estate Asia and Executive Chairman of Blackstone Real Estate India, Mr. Ashish Chahan, Head of Real Estate for Blackstone in India, Mr. Vikram Garg, Head of Real Estate Asset Management Asia, Eugene Min, Chief Operating Officer, Real Estate Asia at Blackstone, Mr. Amit Dalmia, Senior Managing Director, Mr. Himanshu Dudeja, Senior Managing Director, Alok Jain, Managing Director, Blackstone, Sumit Bhartiya, Managing Director, Blackstone, and others from the team. From Horizon Industrial Parks, the company that's going public, we have the whole team here, led by Urvish Rambia, the whole-time Director and Chief Executive Officer of Horizon, Kunal Shah, Chief Financial Officer, Mahinder Vagule, Chief Development Officer, Pooja Malik, Chief Leasing Officer, R.K. Narayan, Chief Investment Officer, Taruna Mahajan, Head of Marketing, Swati Karmakar, Head of Legal, and other senior members of the team. Acknowledging the journey and contribution of all our partners, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Founder and Chairman of Hiranandani Group, Shashikiran Shetty, Founder and Chairman, All Cargo Logistics, Mr. Sridhar Narayan, Chief Executive Officer of Hiranandani Group, Mr. Ashish Agarwal, Managing Director of XSIO, Mr. Krishan Kapoor, Managing Director of JCK Infrastructure. Thank you all. A special thanks to Shri Ashish Kumar Chahan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of NSE, and everyone from his team at NSE for hosting us on this landmark occasion. We also extend a warm welcome to all our independent directors, the book-running lead managers, advisors, consultants, banking partners, legal counsels, auditors, and all stakeholders who have contributed to this successful IPO journey. To officially commence today's celebration, we will begin with a ceremonial lamp lighting. May I please request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chahan of NSE, along with the board, so could I please have Anshu Prakash, Chairman and Non-Executive Independent Director. Could you come up, please? Mike Holland, Independent Non-Executive Director. Sangeeta Singh, Independent Non-Executive Director. Urvish Rambia, Whole-Time Director. Ashish Chahan, Non-Executive Director. Alok Jain, Non-Executive Director. Along with Ashish Agarwal, Managing Director of XSIO. Please, if you could join us on the stage, please. The lighting of the lamp symbolizes wisdom, prosperity, positivity, and the beginning of a successful new chapter.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Fantastic. Thank you. I'd now like to invite Mr. Tuhin Parik, Vice Chairman of Real Estate Asia and Executive Chairman of Real Estate India at Blackstone, to open today's proceedings. Tuhin has led Blackstone's real estate business in India since the firm's entry in this country 20 years ago. He was instrumental in listing India's first REIT on this exchange in 2019. Under his stewardship and along with his partner Ashish Chahan, Blackstone has built the country's largest institutional real estate platform, spanning offices, retail, hospitality, data centers, residential, and now with Horizon industrial and logistics infrastructure. The man who single-handedly changed the face of real estate investing in India for the world to see. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Tuhin Parik.
Welcome everybody. I didn't do anything single-handedly. I had a whole team backing me. Anyway, this is my 7th outing here, 7 IPOs in 7 years. And just to give you some sense of stats of what we achieved. It's 7 IPOs, the total market cap for the companies that we raised money for is 2,20,000 crores. Represents 150 million square feet of office space, which houses 1.5 million people. It represents 23 malls, 12 million square feet, and 155 million people go through our retail centers every year. And on the hotel side, we own 4,700 rooms, 2,000 crores of EBITDA, and the second largest hotel platform in the country. And finally, we come to our newest baby, which is Horizon. Started in 2020, and all our deals begin with a story. And the story here is a dark, rainy night during COVID. We had built platforms in all our businesses, but not that successful at a small business in logistics. We're trying to scale it up. Luckily for us, we found a platform for sale from one of our partners and a large US investment firm. That night was the last negotiation for the deal, and Alok, my colleague, called me up and saying, Tuhin, the US investor is being totally unreasonable and making demands that seem totally untenable. My usual instinct would have been, Alok, hold firm. But to paraphrase a Hindi saying, sometimes you make a donkey your father. And this was one of the moments, to make a donkey your father. So I told Alok, let's kind of swallow our pride, let's get the deal done. Alok executed to the T. We created the kernel of our business and then grew exponentially. Superbly executed by Alok, Jinesh, Saurabh, and then finally using Urvish and his team, which include Kunal, RK, Pooja, and Mahendra, to scale up the business dramatically. We went from a middling business to 67 million square feet in 5 years flat, leased 15 million square feet, hundreds of tenants. Nobody ever done this in the history of Indian real estate. And lo and behold, 5 years later, we took this thing public, again superbly executed by Harsh and Saurabh and Mukund. This is, Blackstone is known for kind of creating unique investment opportunities for the country. We've done 5 of the 6 REITs, the largest retail platform, and now India's only pure play industrial infrastructure player. This business touches lives in all ways. We are manufacturing industry. We touch last mile commerce, e-commerce, digital India, data centers. This is really the heart of Indian economy. So, congratulations to everybody. But more importantly, best of luck to Urvish and his team. We hope we deliver to the investor, the promise we made to investors. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Tuhin. It's now my privilege to invite Mr. Christopher Heady, Chairman of Asia Pacific and Head of Real Estate Asia for Blackstone, to address the gathering. Chris has led Blackstone's real estate business across Asia for over 2 decades, building it into one of the largest and most significant platform of its kind in the region. Under his leadership, India has become one of Blackstone's most important markets globally, and today's listing is a marker of just how far that conviction has traveled. Chris Heady.
Thank you. Good morning. And thanks everyone for being here today, and thank you to the National Stock Exchange for hosting us again. As Tuhin said, this is our 7th time up here, but this one's very special. It's a privilege to be with you here today. As Tuhin mentioned, we established Horizon in 2021 at the height of the COVID pandemic, and that was a time I think we all recall with great uncertainty. But we saw a very powerful long-term opportunity in Indian logistics, and that was driven primarily by e-commerce and also the country's favorable demographic trends and economic momentum. Logistics has long been one of Blackstone Real Estate's highest conviction investment themes globally. And through Horizon, we've brought our scale, sector expertise, and operating capabilities to one of the world's most dynamic growth markets. And what makes Horizon especially meaningful is that it was built, as you've heard, literally from the ground up. The team thoughtfully developed and managed every aspect of the platform, from construction and leasing, asset management, with a focus on quality, scale, and customer service. In just a few years, Horizon has grown into India's largest logistics platform with high-quality assets and a diverse customer base. And it's led, I must say, by an outstanding management team under Urvish's stewardship. He's a Blackstone alum, and so we're very proud that he's taken this step to lead the company, and it's going to be an exceptional management team. Horizon is part of the backbone of India's economic growth. For those of you that know Blackstone, this aligns perfectly with our focus in India, investing behind sectors and businesses that support the country's long-term success. We sometimes say we back businesses, we build businesses that back India. Today's listing is a testament to the Horizon team's vision, commitment, and exceptional execution. We're incredibly proud of what the team has built and excited to see Horizon support India's next phase of growth. Congratulations to everyone who made this achievement possible. Thank you again. It's really a privilege to be here today.
Thank you, Chris. Let me have the man of the moment, Urvish Rambia. Urvish Rambia, Chief Executive Officer of Horizon Industrial Parks. Urvish has been with the platform since its early days. He was instrumental in establishing Horizon in 2021 while still at Blackstone, and before taking the helm as the CEO to lead the business growth all through this listing. Under his leadership, Horizon has scaled into one of India's largest industrial and logistics platform, with a presence across the country's most strategic manufacturing and consumption corridors. Could we have Urvish Rambia, please?
Good morning, everyone. In a few moments, we'll ring the gong. Horizon will be officially listed. Our little master, only 5 years old, grown to 61 million square feet, playing in 10 markets today, is India's largest industrial and warehousing developer. If this was cricket, we could have, today taken a pause and raised the bat. But for those who know this, right, and who follow cricket, know that, the scorecard is telling only half the story. While it shows the runs, the milestones, it's missing what's gone behind it. What Tuhin alluded, the partnerships, all the partner in crime with me, Mahendra, RK, Pooja, Kunal, Swati, Aviraj, thank you so much, all of you. The scorecard doesn't say the nets and the hard work, that went behind shaping every single detail, meticulously planning everything to get us here. So a big thank you to Tuhin, Chris, and the entire Blackstone team, including Alok, again, another partner in crime of mine, to have helped build us this. Right? And now if you think about it, a little over 5 years ago, when we were sitting at our Mecca in Express Towers and thinking and planning about this, there was no playbook, right? There was no development partner to help us. Just there was a lot of grit, determination, and of course, years and years of wisdom to guide us and, push us to where we are. Our coach and mentor, Blackstone, which made this possible. As Deepa said, Blackstone saw an incredible opportunity in the industrial and logistics space in India and went with full conviction, right, and capital to back it. But more importantly, what Blackstone gave Horizon was trust. They gave us the headroom to make decisions, to make mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving on. And this is what today has turned into a juggernaut, and a bunch of people turned into a team, and now has grown into a full-fledged ecosystem. Our customers trusted us through this journey, so big thank you to all of them. Today it's grown into a family of 120 customers, right? Our partners who helped us plan every single details, when we had issues, when we had difficulties. So all the advisors, all the consultants, a big thank you to all of you. And more importantly, the Horizon team. How can I forget you on this day, right? All of the people came from such diverse backgrounds, such diverse talents. But more importantly, all of you and all of us, what we had in common was to say, how do we make this work? And it is this spirit, right? Every single day when we wake up and we say, कि आज क्या नया करना है? There's never a day which is dull, where we are inundated with issues, problems. It's just how to make it work. This spirit today has brought us here. So again, a big thank you to the entire team. And even today, after all of this day still feels remarkably, and Horizon still on the floor feels like a startup. As I said, every morning when we wake up, there's not a dull moment. Everyone's saying that what do we do new? How do we make things possible? So again, a big congratulations, a big thank you. And of course, how can I forget all the customers, Blackstone, all the advisors, all you people in this room who have made this day possible. So big, big thank you. And last words to my fellows, to my colleagues at Horizon, take a pause today, raise the bat. But from tomorrow, we go back to doing what we've done the best. Go back to the ground, dig our heads back in, and, come back as winners. So again, thank you so much. And pass it on to Deepa. Thank you.
Indeed, time to raise the bat. I'd now like to invite our gracious host for today, Mr. Ashish Chahan, Managing Director and CEO of National Stock Exchange, to address the gathering. Thank you once again, sir, for hosting us here on this landmark occasion.
Shri Tuhin Parik, Vice Chairman, Real Estate Asia, Blackstone. Shri Chris Heady, Chairman, Asia Pacific, Blackstone. Shri Urvish Rambia, CEO, Horizon Industrial Parks. Board members, employees, family members, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Horizon Industrial Parks. NSE is proud to welcome Horizon Industrial Parks in our family of listed corporates, and now it becomes 3,051st company to list with us, further strengthening the vibrant and growing ecosystem of listed Indian enterprises. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world. Market capitalization of NSE-listed companies has grown over 130 times since NSE started operations in 94, which now stands at about 491 lakh crore or US dollar 5.13 trillion. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. In 32 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation, and job creation. As India marches towards becoming a Viksit Bharat, the listing of Horizon Industrial Parks on NSE reflects the spirit of an India driven by innovation and global competitiveness. As entities like Horizon Industrial Parks scale through public markets, they contribute directly to building a more strong, self-reliant, and future-ready nation. In recent years, India has consistently ranked among the top IPO markets globally, even as several international markets witnessed subdued activity. In calendar year 25, India was a global leader by number of IPOs, followed by the US and mainland China. In financial year 26, NSE facilitated 222 IPOs through both the main board and NSE emerged, raising about 1.89 lakh crore or 20 billion US dollars, one of the strongest years on record. NSE today serves over 132 million or 13.2 crore unique investors holding 26.7 crore investor accounts, spanning 99.85% of all PIN codes in the country. We are proud to offer Horizon Industrial Parks access to this broad investor base, a fair, efficient, and transparent market ecosystem. A public listing is the beginning of a new chapter, one that reflects the company's performance, governance standards, leadership, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. I congratulate the entire team of Horizon Industrial Parks, their merchant bankers JM, Axis, IIFL, SBI 361, legal advisors Cyril Amerson, PR agency Ed Factors, and all associated in this listing for their collective accomplishments. Today's listing is the beginning of a strong partnership between NSE and Horizon. We look forward to support you in your continued growth and future fundraising endeavors like FPO, rights issue, commercial papers, NCDs, and sustainability-linked bonds. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Mr. Ashish Chahan would now like to present a memento on behalf of NSE to the company that's getting listed. So could we have the team from Horizon Industrial Parks, led by Urvish Rambia, Kunal Shah, RK, Pooja, Mahinder, come up on the stage, please. Exact replica of the bell, which Urvish and team are going to ring in a little while. Thank you. Yeah. We'd now like to reciprocate the honor. Could we? Yeah. Okay, so that is the proud to be listed badges that today as Horizon is listing, they are receiving the proud to be listed badges. And that's a coffee table book. That's the coffee table book from NSE to Horizon Industrial Parks. So we would like to reciprocate the honor as well. So could we have the memento from Horizon side, please? Yes. That's the beautiful plant that's made by Horizon. As you can see, it's an absolute beauty of a glass structure with a bull in the front. There we go. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Team Horizon. Mr. Chauhan? Diwali gift in advance, is it? Thank you so much. Sir, could you stay on the stage, please? Could I request the team from Blackstone, led by Alok, to come up, please, and also get a memento from NSE? Team Blackstone. Very quickly, could we do this, please? Alok, Harsh, Mukund, Janesh, Harishwar, Team Harsh. That's Team Blackstone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Could I now have the banking partners requesting JM Financial to please come up? And while JM does come up, could I have Axis Capital on standby, please? Team JM Financial. Have the team IIFL Capital come up, please. And while they do, could I have SBI Caps on standby? Have SBI Caps on stage, please. Request 360 to be on standby. Requesting 361 to be on the stage, please. That's Team 361. Apologies, I missed calling out SBI Caps. Could I have the team from SBI Cap on the stage, please? The team from CAM on standby. Team Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, do we have you? All right, I'll move on from Team CAM. Are they coming up? Requesting team from Ad Factors to be on standby. Thank you. Do we have team Ad Factors? minutes to ringing the bell, so we'll continue the Momento exchanges in the meantime. Could I have the team from Horizon come up and let's celebrate by giving the mementos to all our advisors, Urvish, Kunal. Pooja, Mahinder, RK, Kunal, Swati, Abhiraj, Taruna, Mitesh, Prapti, yeah. That's the entire team, the senior management team, of course, at Horizon Industrial Parks. What we are going to do is we are going to have them share the memento with our advisors. So let's start with our bankers. So let's start with the banks. Requesting the team from JM Financial to come up, please. That's Horizon team telling thank you for all the hard work to JM Financial. Yeah. We'll take a photograph. We'll make sure that you get your plaque later in the afternoon. Could I have Access Capital, please? Team Access. Let's take a quick photograph. Thank you. Thank you so much. Could I have the team from IIFL Capital, please? Could we have the team from SBI Caps? Could I have the team from 361? Amazing. Thank you so much, Team 361. All right. Thank you. Thanks, everyone from Horizon. If you could take your seats. All right. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Thanks. I request everyone to step down, please, from the stage. Wonderful. Thank you. I'd now like to invite Mr. Alok Jain, Managing Director, Real Estate at Blackstone, and the Director on the Board of Horizon Industrial Parks. Alok has been with Blackstone's real estate business since 2011 and has been closely involved in building the Horizon platform from its earliest days. Few people in this room have a closer view of what it has taken to build this business from a fragmented set of industrial assets into India's largest institutional logistics platform. Ladies and gentlemen, Alok Jain.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a special milestone for Horizon, but it's worth recalling how it all started. So Tuhin told you about one story. There was a backstory to even that. I and Ashish were going for a meeting. In the car, I was back from London after my secondment, and we were discussing what I could do next. Ashish, in his usual style, said, figure it out. Then he said, warehousing. Then I said, yeah, that sounds exciting. He's like, first figure out a couple of deals. His usual self, right? Then you heard the story where Tuhin sort of said, swallow your pride. That's where it all started. We thought our timing could not be more perfect as we were at the inflection point of GST implementation and an e-commerce boom. But the next 6 years from 2020 were still full of challenges. We faced COVID, tariffs, supply chain disruptions, wars, interest rate hikes, cost inflations, but the team kept pivoting. We started with, we thought it will be e-commerce, e-commerce, e-commerce. We gravitated towards industrial, complex manufacturing buildings. In city, we changed product type from small warehouses to large warehouses. The team just kept at it. माना कि तेरी दीद ताजे शहर के काबिल तो हूँ तेरी दीद ताजे शहर के कुछ काबिल तो हूँ मैं तू मेरा शौक तो देख मेरा शऊर तो देख मेरा हौसला तो देख मेरा इस्कमात तो देख. Those who don't follow Urdu, it basically says, I think we had a right to win. We had a claim on the success because we had the right quest, we had the right optimism, we had the right courage, and more importantly, we had the right conviction all throughout, and a team that never gave up. So thanks to the leadership of Tuhin, Chris, Ashish, Vikram, Eugene, who kept believing in us. In the following 6 years, the team assembled India's largest logistic platform from ground up, bit by bit, and created a portfolio of 60 million square feet across 46 assets. Those who have bought land in India know how hard it is to buy land, and how hard it is to buy land that can be quickly put into production. Along the way, we concluded 23 transactions, partnered with 7 joint venture partners, developed 20 million square feet, and leased almost equal area. We added 17 in-city assets and put together a best-in-class team with Urvish, RK, and everyone to create what you see today as Horizon. What started as, let's figure it out, swallow your pride, is today a 60 million square feet behemoth and India's largest platform. This was a team effort, and the magic that we are about to witness here would not have been possible without the joint venture partners. हम तो चले थे अकेले ही जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. On behalf of Blackstone and everyone who've been part of this.
Let's get there. Go, Alok. Go. All right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ringing the bell. Horizon Industrial Parks Limited. Woo! Fantastic. That is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Please take a photograph. What a proud moment. Could the larger team also join them? Could we have the team from Horizon, the independent directors, please come up, join them for a photograph. Yes, Team Horizon, please, get up, stand up. Come on, this is your proud moment. Please, stand up. Come in, take a photograph. Let's get Team Blackstone also in. We'll take another individual picture as well. Oh wow, this is already a full house. This is already a full house. Let's take a photograph. Amazing, thank you. That's the proudly listed Horizon Industrial Parks, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you everybody. That has been amazing. Team from Blackstone, if you could stay back, please. We could also have the larger team from Blackstone come up on the stage for a quick photograph. No. The Horizon team, if you can move out, and we'll take one Blackstone photograph. Team Blackstone. Wow, look, everyone's dressed in black. That's the signature Blackstone move, and I apologize to Alok, whose speech I actually cut short. So, Alok, do you want to come and give the closure? I think it was great. You know, he was saying something, and I was like, no, let's ring the bell. So, no, this is mine.
No.
There we go. All right.
One. Yeah. I'll figure out. Yeah, so I was about to wrap up only. But thanks to everyone who sort of was part of this. Jinesh, Saurabh, Harsh, Mukund, Abhishek Patel, RK, Urvish, Pooja, Mahendra sir, everyone. This was a great team effort. Hopefully we are listed and we keep up to our promise. Here we present Horizon to the nation and to all our shareholders, a platform that is customer-centric, creates tons of jobs, and contributes to India's dream of modernization and manufacturing ambitions. We present to you Horizon, a platform whose ambitions are set in sky, but feet are literally on land and ground. So Shubham Bhuyat, Shivam Bhuyat, Swasti Mangal Bhuyat, Sarva Kalyan Karkam Bhuyat. Thank you.
That's a Blackstone photograph with all the CEOs of our companies, all our listed companies. There we go, along with the management team. Amazing. We'll have a lot more opportunities for all of you guys to take a photograph with the bell. But as we conclude today's ceremony, I'd like to thank the National Stock Exchange, our investors, partners, advisors, the media, and every individual who's contributed to making this milestone possible. Most importantly, congratulations to Blackstone. Today, as I said, is Blackstone's 7th real estate listing and the 15th company that we are taking IPO and public in India. So congratulations to the whole team at Blackstone. Congratulations to Urvish and the entire Horizon leadership team and every single person who's helped build this platform. Please join us for refreshments and conversations and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.